Aviatická Pouť, or Aviation Pilgrimage, is one of the biggest airshows in Czechia, or the Czech Republic, and it's held in Pardubice, the birthplace of Czech aviation. Since its inception in the early 1990s, the event has had a substantial focus on vintage types, many of which have been built or restored locally. Today, the show attracts a broad cross-section of aviation from across Europe. My name is Ian Campbell, and it was my enviable task to represent Planes TV in our first visit to Pardubice. I'm proud to present our highlights from 3 days spent at the show.